How are you? Check this image. AIPF, the future of decentralized AI finance is here. AIPF, the most secure, most advanced, most profitable ecosystem. Market cap has been crossed around $50 million, around 500 crore rupees in Indian value. Liquidity has been crossed $8 million is equal to 80 crore rupees has been already crossed, and this liquidity is 100% locked and 100% LP token is burned. Around 27,000 holders are here, and 1 lakh plus community, strong worldwide community is growing day by day. Here people are earning thousands of dollars per day and thousands of dollars per month. You can say in Indian rupees around 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh rupees has been already people are earning here, and their earning has been crossed in crores of rupees per month. If we will see that at around 8 a.m. and at around 8 p.m. thousands of people are joining Zoom meeting. Zoom meeting is running houseful. So AIPF built on trust, driven by AI, powered by community. The most key features are here: ultra secure, 100% decentralized, 100% liquidity, permanently locked, LP tokens 100% burned, all smart contracts are announced, no changes possible, DAO mechanism, no action without community approval, no external calls, no risk of attacks like re-entrancy, no hidden honor, transparent and verified, no suspicious activity, fully audited, no honeypot, no hidden conditions, no sell restrictions, tax is non-modifiable, 100% fixed, creators are fully live on Binance, Thrive, 2 times they have been already appeared in Binance Squad, and 2 times has been already appeared on Zoom live session. So AIPF, it means its full name is AI Powered Finance, decentralized, secure, transparent community, driven, 100% liquidity locked, 100% LP token burn. All contracts are announced. There are 5 AI robots are running governance, not humans. AI 5 robots are governing. First robot name is ALS AI, real-time data engine that prevents price pumping and dumping. Risk AI, advanced risk management and threat detection. Wallet AI, smart wallet tracking and secure transaction. Growth AI, ecosystem growth and sustainability engine. Guard AI, security guardian, protects the system 24/7. 9-phase roadmap, 63-page detail overview. We are currently in phase 1 and phase 2, and 8 phases to go. Bigger, better, stronger. The journey has just begun. Daily 1% auto compounding plan, 1% per day. It means 27. Within 27, the principal are going to be double. 6 months. Within 6 months, it is going to be 5 to 6 times, and 12 months, 36 times. 100% non-working income. It is a non-working income. There are ranking. There are 15 rank. No binary, no level income. Fastest and highest rank income. Global reward pool. Shared growth. Shared success. Real people. Real income. Leaders earning lakhs to lakhs. Jolly crores of rupees per month. Verified, audited on Lightning platform. Dex Screener verified. Dex verified. Token Sniffer verified. AIP is more secure than LDNS and many others. Yeah, absolutely right. Income, security, technology, a triple power combination like never before. Don't miss the biggest opportunity of the decade. Join AIPF, grow with AIPF, succeed with AIPF. Okay, so you can contact me. I will guide you. I will support you. I will stand with you until we earn very huge. Thank you so much. Don't miss AIPF. Contact me.